Dear students, today I am going to solve another question which is given by prove that cos 5a is equal to 16 cos power 5a minus 20 cos power cube a plus 5 cos a. In order to solve this question, we should take left hand side, which is given as cos 5a. This cos 5a can be written as cos 2a plus 3a. Now this cos 2a plus 3a can be written in the formula of cos a plus b, that is cos 2a dot cos 3a minus sin 2a dot sin 3a, because you have cos a plus b, cos a times cos b minus sin a times sin b. With the, if you write this term in like this in this formula, then we can get this much long term. Now cos 2a can be written as 2 cos square a minus 1, and cos 3a can be written as 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, minus sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a dot cos a times sin 3a can be written as 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and this term must be multiplied with this one, and this one term will multiply to this. If you do so, you will get 2 4 are 8 cos square a cos cube a will be cos power 5a. Here is a plus and here is minus, plus minus 2 3 are 6. Now cos cube a. Now this minus 1 will multiply this term. Then if you do so, you will get minus 1 into 4 minus 4 cos cube a plus minus minus into minus plus 3 cos a. Now this term minus is here, 2 3 are 6 sin square a dot cos a. Now this minus into minus will be plus, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8 sin cube a dot sin a will be sin power 4a dot cos a. And this term 8 cos power 5a is as it is, minus 6 cos cube a minus 4 cos cube a plus 3 cos a minus 6. Now this sin square can be written in the form of 1 minus cos square a dot cos a. Similarly, this plus 8 sin power 4a can be written as whole square of sin square a, and cos a is written as it is equal to 8 cos power 5a minus. Now you can see that cos 6 minus 6 cos cube a minus 4 cos cube a have the same power and same sign, so 6 minus 4 will be 10 cos cube a plus 3 cos a. Now 6 times cos a will be 6 cos a, 1 minus cos square a, this plus mean plus 8 sin square a can be written in the form of 1 minus cos square a whole square dot cos a. This is equal to 8 cos power 5a minus 10 cos cube a plus 3 cos a minus 6 cos a minus 6 cos a 1 are minus 6 cos a minus into minus plus 6 cos a cos square a will be cos cube a and 8 times cos a will be 8 cos a and that 8 cos a 1s are 8 cos a and 8 cos a plus into minus will be minus, so 8 and now it will be this term is same, and for this term we should write 8 times cos a like this, and this is this one mean like this. Okay, now you have to open whole square. 1 minus cos square a will be 1 minus 2 cos square a plus cos power 4a is equal to 8 cos power 5a minus 10 cos cube a plus 3 cos a minus 6 cos a plus 6 cos cube a. Now plus 8 cos a 1s are 8 cos a plus minus minus 8 2s are 16 cos cube a plus into plus plus 8 cos a and cos power 4a will be cos power 5a. Now you can see that this term and this term are similar, and here is cos cube a and here is also cos cube a for this term and this one term and this one term. You can write plus 8 cos power 5 plus 8 cos power 5. If you add, you will get 16 cos power 5a, and now you can see that here is minus 10 cos cube a, here is plus 6 cos cube a, that will be minus 4 cos cube a, and here is another term minus 16 cos cube a minus 16 cos cube a, and you can see that this 3 cos a, 6 cos a, 8 cos a, if you add 8 plus 3 you will get 11 cos a minus 6 cos a, then 16 cos power 5a minus 16 minus 16 and minus 4 will be 20 cos cube a plus here is 11 plus 11 cos a, here is minus 6 cos a. If you operate, you will find here 11 minus 6 5 cos a, which is our required answer. This is our required answer. It is the RHS proved.